Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Discord Xbox step by step. Open the Xbox mobile app and sign in, then go to Profile Settings Account, Linked Social Accounts to add Discord. Approve the connection on both Discord and Xbox prompts, then choose which voice and presence settings to share. Test the connection in a party or game chat to confirm status shows on Discord. Make sure your Xbox and Discord accounts are active and use the same email when possible to simplify linking, then enable two-step verification if prompted. On Xbox, enable game presence sharing so Discord can display your activity, and select the right privacy settings to allow connections. In Discord, go to User Settings Connections and add Xbox Live, then authenticate and pick what status details to display. Finally, restart both apps to apply changes. Quick recommendation: if you like practical tech guides, please subscribe and like if this video is helpful, it really supports the channel. I also want to point out a book I enjoyed here. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. A quick, clear read that pairs oddly well with optimizing your online life. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. If linking fails, sign out and back in on both platforms, then retry the connection steps slowly and watch for permission prompts. Check network stability, disable VPNs that may block authentication, and ensure console and phone firmware are up to date. If presence still won't show, unlink and relink Discord, clear app caches, and test with a friend to verify that status updates appear during a party or game session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.